Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to design self-drilling screw. So self-drilling screws actually are screws that has kind of drill feature on the tip. So you can actually drill with it and insert it at the same time. Without further ado, let's jump into the SolidWorks model or 3D model. So this is what you will be ending up with if you follow this tutorial along. Now to create a new part, click here and click on part and then click OK. Go to front plane and start drawing the overall shape of the screw. So it should be something like that. Once you're good, let's add in dimensions. This dimension here should be 13.20 divided by 2, and the height here should be 1, and the overall height of the screw should be 25, and then the diameter should be 4.88 divided by 2, and the tip here should be 45 degrees. Once you get a closed loop like this with a fully defined sketch, go to Feature, Revolve Boss, and click on this line. So you should get something like that. Now let's create a polygon. Go to Sketch again, click on Polygon, and now it should be 6 lines polygon. All right. Let's add in a dimension from this point to this point should be 11. And let's make this line horizontal, so we'll get a fully defined sketch. Now let's go to Feature, Extruded Boss, and it should be blind and extruded by 4.5. Once you're good to go, click OK, and then click on this face again. Let's draw a circle just to add chamfers on the top and make it tangent to this line. Great. Now go to Feature, Extruded Cut, flip side, add the draft, and the draft should be 50 degrees. Right, once you're good to go, click OK. So you should get a feature that looks like that. Now let's add in another screw feature here. The diameter should be 8, and click on OK. Now extruded cut again and make it 0.75. Right, so you should get something like that. Let's add in drafts here, and the draft should be 0.125. All right, once you're good to go, let's go and add in more fillets here. So click on fillet and click on this line. Now let's add in more fillets here. So make it actually 0.5 now. Click on this line, this line. All right. Once you're good, just click on OK. And now let's go and create our thread. Let's click on this face and go to Reference, Plan, make it 1.8 and click on OK. Now go to this plan again and add in a sketch, click on this line and convert entities. Right? Now let's add in a curve, helix and spiral. Let's go with the height and pitch. So the height should be 18 or 16, and the pitch should be 1/8. Reverse direction, clockwise. Let's uncheck this taper helix, and you should be good to go. All right, click on OK. And here you have created your curve, and now let's create the profile or the thread profile. Go to sketch, polygon, 3 lines polygon, and create something that looks like that. Click on these 2 lines, make them collinear, click on this point and on the curve, midpoint, curve, coincident. The overall height from the center point should be 3.15. All right, that's good. Click on OK and go to sweep boss, click on this triangle and this line and click on OK. Now let's go and finish this thread. Click on this plane, sketch, and click on this line again. Convert entities. All right, let's go to feature, curve, helix, and spiral. Now let's make the height 1, reverse direction, counterclockwise, and let's uncheck or check this taper helix and make it 50 degrees. Taper outward should be unchecked, so you can get actually an inward taper here. So click on OK and go to this face, click on sketch, convert entities, and go to sweep boss again, click on this line and then click on the curve. So you should get something that looks like that. All right, now let's add in or create another plan. Click on this face and reference plan, make it 25 now, so we will get out the tip of the screw. Click on this face and now let's create the drill profile. So go to sketch and start sketching something that looks like that, and we will be adding dimensions later on, of course. Make this line horizontal and this line vertical. Now let's add in dimensions. From this line to this point should be 0.25, 0.125 here and 0.125 here as well. Good. Now let's add in height here, just for the sake of making our sketch fully defined. Equal, and you're good to go. Skip sketch, and now let's create the line that it will be following. Click on the front plane and start sketching. Our sketch should start from the tip and go like that, and now add a radius here. All right, should look something like that. Let's add a central line over here, and now let's add length, should be only 5, radius should be 8, and let's add an angle here of 6 degrees. All right, so you should get something that looks like that. Once you're good, click on OK and skip sketch. Now let's go to swept cuts and click on this line. Click on this line as well, and you should get something that looks like that. Now let's go to pattern, circular pattern. Click on this feature and click on this line. Make it 2 over 360 degrees. Click on OK. So you should get something like that. Now let's clean up our design. Let's hide all the plans and curves that we have created. Make the background white and add in appearance. All right, so that's our design. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.